Welcome. In this module, we're going to take a look at the Technology Governance and Risk Management Framework, which was introduced by State Bank of Pakistan, the regulatory body for the financial sector. And this was introduced in May of 2017 as Circular Number 5, SBP 2017. And this was applicable to be implemented in Pakistan by all the financial institutions in the country. More than 50 organizations, banks, microfinance banks, and designated financial institutions, DFIs. And this technology governance and risk management framework was to be implemented in 1 year, starting from the middle of 2017 up to July of 2018. And then I believe that there was a further 6 months extension given till December of 2018 for this technology governance and risk management framework implementation. But you can go, depending on the date on which you are viewing this course, you can go to the State Bank of Pakistan website and have a look at not only this framework, because it's a document consisting of about 40 pages, and you can go to the URL by looking on Google, and you can also see what the status of this framework is, because the State Bank of Pakistan, the financial regulatory body, keeps updating the frameworks. So this is a diagram showing that there are 6 different sections in this technology governance and risk management framework. It's a very detailed document and a good quality document. So first of all, we have IT governance in financial institutions. You have section 1.1 technology governance framework. Then it talks about IT strategy. And please treat this as a table of contents. Then we talk about digital strategy, roles and responsibilities, organizational structure, policies, standards and procedures, management information systems. And we're talking about IT governance and financial institutions, section 1 of technology governance and risk management framework. And then capacity building and training. Section 2 talks about information security. We have information and cybersecurity management framework, identification and prioritization of IT assets, information security risk management, security controls and implementation, cybersecurity action plan, incident reporting, security requirements and testing, risk monitoring and reporting, threat intelligence and industry collaboration. The third section is IT service delivery and operations management. So you have IT service management framework, preventive maintenance plan, event and problem management, patch management, capacity planning, data center, user support and help desk. And the fourth section is acquisition and implementation of IT systems, technology project management framework, system development and acquisition framework, outsourcing of IT services. The fifth section is disaster recovery and business continuity. You have BC and DR framework, which is business continuity and disaster recovery framework, the business continuity planning process, and disaster recovery. And the last section is on the IT audit program, scope of IT audit, reporting methodology, and post-closing monitoring activities. So what are the objectives of the technology governance and risk management framework, which is a very comprehensive framework consisting of about 6 sections? The framework aims to provide enabling regulatory environment for managing risks associated with the acquisition, development, deployment, and use of technology, and shall serve as State Bank of Pakistan's baseline requirements for all financial institutions. The FIs or financial institutions shall upgrade their systems, controls, and procedures to ensure compliance with this framework, and there's a date given, June 30th, 2018. The FIs shall assess and conduct a gap analysis between their current status, where they stand right now, and this framework, and draw a time-bound action plan to address the gaps and comply with the guidelines in this framework. Now let's talk about the overview of the framework. The instructions are focused on enhancing the proactive and reactive environments in FIs to various facets and dimensions of technology, including information security, technology operations, audit, business continuity, project performance, and related domains, which are mentioned on page 5. FIs shall adopt an integrated risk management approach to identify, measure, monitor, and control technology risks. The framework consists of 6 domains and 35 total subdomains. Overall, the framework is a combination of COBIT, ITIL, and ISO 27001:2013 or ISMS. This is the implementation mechanism which consultants like Delta Tech, our company, usually recommend. There should be a gap analysis. Then we should achieve the documentation related to this framework. And finally, because it's a very hard and a very huge framework, there needs to be considerable effort for the implementation of this framework in the organization, which can take at least a year to implement effectively. That's all that we have for this module. Thank you.